Hi, this is Karl Regional Geo Kingdom, and I'm going to make a focaccia bread.
First, preheat the oven to 215 degrees Celsius. Then place all the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl, which are sifted bread flour, baking powder, and salt. Then make a hole in the middle and add water. Mix or knead using your spatula for about 5 minutes or as needed until the dough is developed and slightly sticky. Next is to add some olive oil to the bottom and sides of a round pan. Transfer the dough into the greased baking pan and cover with cling wrap for about 15 to 30 minutes. Remove the cling wrap and pour some olive oil into the top of the focaccia dough and spread throughout the focaccia dough. Using your fingers, dimple downwards, pressing into the dough while stretching at the same focaccia dough touches the edges of the pan. Some rosemary onto the top and slightly press it into the dough, followed by the sea salt. Place into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until light golden brown. Let it rest for a couple of minutes before cutting. Then cut it into desired portions. And this is how I make my version of focaccia bread.